Lentils with chia seeds. By just adding chia seeds, you can make fabulous tasting soups filled with healthy nutrients that are essential for your body to function well. Heat the olive oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Add onion and sauté until lightly caramelized for about 10 minutes. Now, let's add spices: cumin seeds, cardamom, and garlic. These are anti-inflammatory spices, which help us to reduce inflammation in the body. Sauté until fragrant for about 2 minutes. Stir in 4 cups water. Ginger, turmeric, jalapeno, vegetable stock, lentils, and tomatoes. And bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low and cover the pot so that things inside can simmer and thicken. Finish up with salt to taste, chia seeds, and cilantro, and stir it gently. Serve it immediately when done.